Welcome, children. Today we'll begin a new lesson of English main course book, that is Home Sweet Home. But before we start the lesson, let's warm up. What comes in your mind by seeing these pictures? That where do these animals live? Did you know that where does a bird live? Spider, fish, fox, bee, where do they live? They all have their home in a different way. As we know that a bird lives in a nest. So this story is about a mole who meets with a rat who lives by a river bank. They became friends and mole started to live with him. But later he started to miss his home, as we all miss our home when we go outside for a long vacation. Let's read this story. One day, Mole finds that he is tired of cleaning his house. He leaves his hole, which is deep in the ground, and goes out in the world in search of fun. He meets Rat, who lives by a river bank. Together, the two go on many adventures with their animal friends. But suddenly, one day, Mole starts to miss his home. What is he going to do now? Here, a mole who lives in his home, he found that he was continuously living in his home and he was very tired of cleaning his house. It seems that it was totally bore thing for him. So he decided to go out in search of fun. For a few days, he enjoyed too much with his friends, but one day he started to miss his home, as we also miss our home. One cold evening in December, Mole and Rat were walking home after a long day's outing. It was quite dark by the time they reached a village. Only the window panes on either side of the street shone from the light glowing in each cottage. Mole and Rat peeped through a few windows and saw a family at the dining table, another in the drawing room, chatting and laughing. Mole is a small animal with soft dark fur, a long nose and small eyes which lives underground. As we know that rat also lives underground, and underground means under the soil. One day at evening time, both rat and mole were returning from a long day's outing. Outing means just like a short trip taken for fun. You can say a picnic. So they were returning to home and it became dark at evening, and they saw that only lights from the windows on either side of the street were shown, and they both were very eager to reach their home. They saw that it was becoming evening, and they peeped through a windows and saw a family at the dining table, and they were talking, chatting and laughing. Peeped means looking secretly. Suddenly a gust of cold wind hit their backs. "Come on, we have got a long way to go," whispered Rat gently, and the two walked along, eager for the warmth and safety of home. That was when Mole smelled a very familiar smell. He sniffed the air eagerly and tried to remember what it was. He stood still, his nose twitching, breathing in the scent and trying to understand what it was telling him. In a flash, he knew it was the smell of his home, the one he had left many months ago because he was tired of cleaning. He knew his house was somewhere close by. Here, when Mole and Rat were returning, it became evening, and they saw that lights were shown in a village from the both sides. At that time, suddenly a gust means a sudden strong wind. It hit them and they felt very cold. And then Rat said to Mole, just come, come, we have to go a long way. Means their home was very far from that place, and both of them felt very cold, so they wanted to go at home and they need warmth. At that time, Mole smelled a very familiar smell. Familiar means what we know, well known from before. So he sniffed the air. He just tried to smell that the smell was coming from where, and he just tried to remember. And then he twitching means when we uh, makes our body small, and sometimes we do it by making our nose small to smell something. So he just tried to understand that the smell was coming from where. Breathing in the scent, he was just trying to understand that what the smell was telling him. And in a flash, he remembered, he understood that the smell was coming from his home, whom he left many months ago. Just because he did not want to clean it, he was tired. And he knew that now his house was very close to him. And now he wanted to know where is his house. He wanted to go. He wanted to remain there as he started missing his house. Oh, how he longed to return to it. Of course, it was small, not as near as Rat's, but it was his. He had been so happy in it. The house too was missing him. It sent out smells to remind him of home, as if it were begging him to come back. Here, Mole started missing his house and he thought that, okay, it was small, but it was his home. And he was so happy to be there. And he thought that as he was missing his house, the house was also missing him. That's why it sent out smells. He was sending the smell just to remind him that it was also alone and wanted him to come back to his home.